Prime Time News this evening. Jamaica imposes ban on travel to and from China as coronavirus death toll and confirmed cases rise. Help us. Jamaican students in China make plea to return home.
A large crowd is gathered at the scene where the body of an 11-year-old missing boy was discovered. I'm Shamela Pullen, and I'll have that story later.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Yeah, Janella, what's all the money for? A member of parliament is raising concerns about government spending on the ganja industry. The details in the Financial Week.
All right, thank you, Andrew. From Andrew, we go to Jordan Fort, who's telling us what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, you're actually being taken to task. So is Janella, because we in the media are being blasted by one of the top members of the J3As this evening for what is being labeled as misinformation. I'll tell you who's making the claim and what they're saying in Primetime Sports Friday.
Oh my, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you suggest can be done to assist Jamaicans living in China?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.